JP!
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing good, doing good.
Good, good. Welcome out to Skydive DeLand. We're gonna go with this crazy guy and jump out of an airplane. What do you think?
I'm good. Happy. It's for my birthday. And thanks to my wife and my cousin over here.
All right. Hi, cousin. How's it going, man? Cool. Happy birthday. Is it today?
It's on Wednesday, but didn't work.
Gotcha.
My wife works, so
Yeah, gotta wait.
today.
Cool. Well, happy birthday on Wednesday. We're super stoked to be able to celebrate with you. We are just about to go hop in that airplane. Is there anything you wanted to say to your friends and family before we do it?
Thank you, and I'll see you guys when we land.
Alrighty. See you down here. Yeah, JP! You made it, man. What'd you think?
Awesome.
Let me help you up there. Yeah, you're good. Cool, bro.
Appreciate it.
You nailed it. Thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. Nice job.